Connectors and round cables cost a lot of money. AS interface is intended to be a cost-effective alternative. Why does ASI drastically reduce wiring costs?
Because ASI interface is so simple, ASI requires no expensive connectors, no costly Ethernet cables, and no complex power supply cables. In contrast, other fieldbus systems require 2 cables per field module to connect it to the next module. One cable for communication and another one for power. And because each cable has 2 connectors, you need 4 connectors to connect each additional module. In a larger system, you can quickly save several hundred connectors with ASI. ASI also reduces expensive installation and planning time. And this is because you can connect ASI modules quickly and flexibly along the entire ASI cable. This means you don't have to spend time calculating the required cable length in advance. After all, time is money.